Alright, so we are back for another sound test, guys, and today we have the new Tripowin Lea. So as I mentioned in my review, they have some similarities with the KZ CRNs, but of course the CRNs will still have more 12K in the mix. Of course, we are comparing it to some other popular ones, the ZEX, the Blon 03s, of course, another dynamic driver which will compete, I think, with the Leas here, and of course the KZ ZSN Pro XS as well. Of course, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, let's start the sound test now.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell